Creator because of disobedience, what is otherwise called as sin in the scriptures. What is sin? It's not a technically difficult word. It is as good as a broken relationship, just like a broken bone. You know, you have a fracture, right? So that's what it is. It is a relationship which is like broken, just like a broken bone. So God seeks and saves that which is invaluable. The reason I talk to you about the design and the value of a human life, so He seeks and saves that which is invaluable. Your life, in the sight of God, you are invaluable. That's why God loves you so much. Otherwise, there is no reason for the Creator's universe to look at you and me. We are not even a specks, in this whole universe. But yet, He loves you and me. That shows anything that is invaluable is what God seeks and saves. That's why He loved you and me and came into this world. Because of this connection with God, man is experiencing today emptiness in their lives. Some of you can relate. You don't feel fresh in your life. You feel nothing is happening. You feel empty. You want something every day happening, but